Did you know if the US government sues you, you're at least 10 times more likely to be brought before an administrative law judge or an ALJ than a federal judge? At the Securities and Exchange Commission, ALJs have expanded their jurisdiction, acting like federal judges. But they're not federal judges. ALJs are powerful, biased, unaccountable bureaucrats who secure easy wins for the government agencies they represent at the expense of our civil liberties. What's worse, ALJs are untouchable because they're shielded by multiple layers of job security and tenure protection. So it's no surprise, ALJs often impose huge penalties and career-ending bans on people targeted by the agency they represent. Asserting your constitutional rights against unlawful agency power is an uphill battle of futile proceedings and endless appeals. But in 2017, one man challenged the lawlessness of his ALJ all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court and won. Ray Lucia argued that the ALJ assigned to him by the Securities and Exchange Commission had not been constitutionally appointed, and the Supreme Court agreed. But for Ray Lucia, the victory was far from final. Rather than a retrial before a federal judge, the government insisted he be tried before yet another in-house ALJ. Here he would have to start the unconstitutional process all over again. For defendants like Lucia, the process is the punishment. So they settle. But there are others like him. In 2019, Michelle Cochran began the Sisyphean task to vindicate her constitutional rights to a fair trial against the Securities and Exchange Commission in a real court, not before an ALJ. Click here to get updates on Michelle's case and learn how you can protect American civil liberties against government agency abuse of power.